guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi Lea. This is my channel, yes, and I want to welcome you guys to another episode of Girl Talk with Doom. Yeah, that's the name I stuck with, Doom. I felt like it's more catchy, and like all my friends call me that, so I want you guys watching this video to feel like you're chatting with your girlfriend. That's the whole point of these Girl Talk videos. So I know you guys already saw in the comment section, which is why you clicked this video. It is a very controversial topic, and I know a lot of people are going to come for me, and I know some of you are already typing in the comments to blast me. But before you type, please just chill. Let me explain myself. You guys need to listen to what I have to say first of all about this topic before you comment and let me know what you think. So now the title of this video is "It is okay for men to cheat." Yes, and I'm talking cheating in relationships, cheating in marriages. So before I delve into the conversation, I want to ask you guys, how many of you guys have cheated before in your relationships or in your marriage? Raise your hand up. My hand is up. Yes, I have cheated before. Now, the next question is, how many of you guys have been cheated on before in your marriage or in your relationships? My hand is also up. Yes, I have been cheated on. Do you understand? So cheating is something that is so rampant. Men cheat, women cheat. Statistically said, it has been proven, or it has been said, that women even cheat more. And we know that women are even better cheats. Let's not lie, women are better cheats. We are equipped to handle that. We are equipped to make a man believe we love him, but we have our true love outside. And that's not what this video is about, but I'm just basically stating that both men and women cheat for one reason or the other. So now, there is a saying that I grew up hearing that is very common. I don't know if it's in every part of the world, but in this part of the world where I'm from, I'm African, I'm Nigerian, I hear it a lot. Everybody says, all men cheat. All men cheat. Men cheat. That one is normal. It's a normal thing. You will hear them saying, men are polygamous in nature. Have you ever heard that saying before? My guess is yes. Yes. People say this. So which is why I want us to talk about this today. Why did we believe and accept that all men cheat, like that it is in their nature for them to cheat? Why have we swallowed this thing that we believe it, and we have passed it down to our children? It has been passed down from our grandmothers to our mothers to us. Because if, for instance, your partner cheated in a relationship or in a marriage, and you went and told maybe the elder women in your family that, oh, I caught my husband cheating and I want to leave, or you just want to complain to them that I call my husband cheating, you hear them telling you it is normal. Is that why you want to cheat? Someone once told me, leaving a man because he's cheating is like leaving a country because it rains. When you move to the other country, it's going to rain there. So that's just me trying to tell you guys how much we have really eaten up that saying that all men cheat, or men are cheat, or men are polygamous in nature. Now, where I stand is, I'm among those that believe that not all men cheat. Not all men are cheats. Yes, I said it. There are a few of them out there that cannot, will not, and do not cheat. They are not cheats. Now, just like someone told me, all men have a wandering eye, but not all men cheat. I believe that. All men have a wandering eye. A man is attracted to you, is in love with you. It does not mean that there is no woman out there in the world, no other woman that he can be attracted to. He can be attracted to. He may have a crush on her, he may flirt with her, but that doesn't mean he's going to take it to the next level, which is what? Cheating. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Now, cheating is both the emotional cheating and the physical cheating. Emotional, when you're still talking to the person, you're developing feelings for this person, you're probably sneaking around to talk to them, sending videos, doing video calls, all that stuff. While the physical cheating is now when it involves probably intercourse or stuff like that. So cheating is cheating. Even if you have not crossed over from the emotional cheating to the physical cheating, you are still cheating. Now, just like I said, not all men cheat. The same way not all women cheat, guys. Now, why I say this is, yes, some men have cheated. In short, a lot of people have cheated in the past. I have cheated, but that does not make me a cheat in my relationship. Now, let me explain what I mean. Who has lied before? We have all lied. Who has stolen before? We have all stolen. But does that make you a thief or a liar? There are two different things. Someone who stole once is not going to be called a thief. But someone who steals habitually, who plans to steal, who derives joy in stealing, who has no remorse in stealing, who every second of the day is probably thinking of how to cheat. The person that's made it a livelihood is the person we can call a thief. But we can't call that person who maybe in a moment of weakness needed something and then they had no choice but to go and steal. I will not call such a person a thief. I don't know if you guys are understanding my point. So for us to say, okay, maybe this man in a moment of weakness cheated or looked at another woman, he is a cheat, I think that is bad. I feel like that is generalizing. I've cheated in my relationship, but I made it a point of, I actually decided from that point that I was never going to cheat again. And I can beat my chest and say, yes, for all those years, it's over 10 years now, I have not cheated anymore. I cheated when I was a teenager. Then it was just out of excitement. I was stupid, I was young, I was immature. But now, maybe now that is a woman, that is a full woman in all strength and in every right of the word, that knows herself, will not sabotage any beauty in a relationship that she has by cheating, because I know what cheating can do. So yes, I have cheated before, but that doesn't make me a cheat. That is the same way I want us to look at the men out there that may have cheated before, but that doesn't, they have remorse. It was a moment of weakness. It doesn't mean that they plan on continue cheating. They enter their marriages not planning to cheat. Some men enter their marriages knowing that they will cheat and they are not even bothered, while some actually vow not to cheat. But they are human. We are human. We can still do. Even you watching this video may feel like you can never do a certain thing, but believe me, you cannot vouch for anybody, even for yourself. There may be circumstances, there may be situations that will make you find yourself doing things that you never thought you would do. Now let's go look at this from another angle. You saying all men are cheats is like prophesying. There's power in the tongue, guys. You saying all men are cheats is you preparing your mind that your man is going to cheat. It means you have accepted it, you are expecting it, you're wishing it upon yourself. And now, when we keep saying this thing, we keep telling people, it has become a normal saying now that even the men themselves, they look at us and they feel like, oh, these women have accepted we're going to cheat, we might as well cheat. To the extent that when they cheat and you complain, they'll be like, why are you complaining? You already know it's in my nature to cheat. So by saying this, we have made it okay. So which is why I titled this video, it is okay for men to cheat. Or saying all men are cheats is the same thing as saying it is okay for men to cheat. Do you understand? Or saying goats are stubborn is the same thing as us saying what? It is okay for goats to be stubborn. We expect them to be stubborn because we have accepted it is in their nature. So we saying all men are cheats mean we expect them to cheat on us. We have accepted it is in their nature. We have made that a standard for them. We've made it okay. We've given them a pass by saying that. So I think we women need to actually hold ourselves, you know, responsible for this. We need to stop making it okay. We need to stop saying it is okay for men to cheat or men are polygamous in nature. If it's like that, women are also polygamous in nature. Yes, you can like two men at the same time. You may not just like them equally. A guy before has told me, oh, I'm in love with you, but I love someone else. And I said, what do you mean by that? He said being in love with someone is different from loving someone. Loving someone is being obligated to them. Being in love with someone is that person that actually gives you butterflies. Do you see the way they justify cheating? Yes, that is the point I'm trying to make. So we need to not make it okay. We need to not accept it. Let us stop saying all men are cheats. Let us stop expecting them to cheat. Because when we keep saying it, the men themselves, even those that probably could have, you know, held themselves to that high standard of not wanting to cheat, the more they keep hearing this, they begin to accept it, they begin to internalize it, and before you know, it begins to manifest. So let us stop saying all men are cheats. Let us hold our men to higher standards. And the problem, and another point I have to make is, we say men are cheats. Who did they cheat on us with? Who did they cheat on us with? Fellow women. Fellow women. We put ourselves out there as the objects that they use to, you know, like disrespect the woman in their life. We know a lot of us are okay with being side chicks. A lot of us are okay with being one night stands with men we know are in serious relations. I can't live without adding that it is up to us, these mothers of this new generation, like we that are having kids and raising, like getting married, having kids, raising young boys, to actually let them understand that it is not okay for men to cheat. Men are not polygamous in nature. We have to instill that in their head. We have to change the programming. I hope you guys are following. So we need to teach them. And we also need to teach our daughters that It is not normal for you to expect to be cheated on. You're not to be walked all over. You should expect 100 from a man if you're going to give him 100. No passes. Do you understand? Now this is not about feminism or whatever. It's just let us hold these men to a higher standard and let us train them well. I hope I've been able to confuse you guys and not confuse you guys. Yes, so that's what's up.